Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to create a YouTube channel and set it up completely so that your channel goes viral quickly. So channel complete setting and 100% verified channel I made and show you. So let's go to the computer screen. So first we have to open Chrome. After opening Chrome, you have to open a new blank tab. Now you have to click on sign in. After sign in, when this window opens, there is a create option at the bottom. You have to click it. For myself, the first thing you need to do is enter your Gmail name. I am writing this name on my behalf. You will write the name of your Gmail. You have to write the last name, and after you have to write the username as well. And now that he has given me the option below, I clicked on it. And now that name has become our Gmail. Now we will write the password. Password we have to write was strong. I have written the password. Now we will click on confirm password. We have to re-enter the same password. Now click on next. Now here you have to enter your phone number, which will verify your Gmail. You have to give the phone number you have because the verified code will come to your number. After typing the phone number, you click next. After that, it will send you the verified code. Next, you will get a message on your mobile number and you have to write the verified code here. After writing the code, you have to click on the verified option. Your phone number has now been verified. Now you will write your date of birth. The date, month and year have been written. Now you have to select your gender. After you have finished everything, you have to do next. Click on the yes I am option. Here are some privacy terms and conditions. You can read and click on the I agree option. Now we come to the next part. Turn on sync. Now click the done. Now we have to open YouTube. These are Google products. From here we will open YouTube. YouTube is open. Now you can see the icon on the right side. We will press it. You will see the option of create a channel. Now click it. So it asks if you need to upload a picture to your Gmail ID. I can check, but I don't have any picture at the moment. So this just to show you how to upload a picture. Now we come back because I have not had any picture. So I am not uploading any picture yet. And we are back. You will see the next option below. Click it. After that, you will come to YouTube Studio. We have come to YouTube. Now we will go to your channel option. This is our own channel, the same Gmail Rosie Khan, but now we will customize the channel. You can see there are no videos, no playlist and no channel attached. Check it out now, telling you to upload video to get started. You can also upload video from here, but we will not upload it. We will set it up later and show you the complete setting, so you know what a verified channel is. We have come to YouTube Studio. Click on the continue option. This is now your YouTube Studio, on which we will set the video completely. What is the option and what we have to do is all you can see. You can also put the channel trailer video. You can also put the channel future video. In the branding option, you see the upload picture, channel banner and video watermark value option is here. Video watermark option means you see a small picture on the right side whatever you upload. Basic info will come in the option. After coming in this option, first you have to name your channel. They will write. Now our Gmail name is written here, so we will remove the name and write the name as you wish, meaning whatever you want to name your channel. So now I am just writing the name of Noor Family Vlog channel name. This is your channel name with a description option below it. In the description option, you will write something related to your channel, which you will show in your channel, meaning whatever topic you want to create your channel on, so that YouTube knows what you want to show on your channel. Description, I write that my channel is related to the vlogging, meaning you write down the topic on which the channel happened. I just write a short line. You have to write a complete description in your own why related to your channel. Below is the add language, which means you will select the language of your channel. I mean in which language you will speak on your channel. Then I am selecting Urdu language. So this is translate language option, means you can translate another language and you can select it. I used to select Arabic, now I am selecting English language, which means you can translate any language you want. We are writing for channel name, means whatever your channel name. On the channel description, we will write the same date description that we write earlier, meaning we will copy and paste it here. After pasting the description, click on next option. This is the URL of your channel and this is an add link, meaning if you have another website and you want to attach it to your channel, if you want to add a link, then it will be a show with your channel. Now we will publish it, which is your channel. It has become and has been published. Now that we will further adjust the small setting of your channel so that our channel will go viral and YouTube gets the channel. So now this is our currency. Which currency do you have to select? You can do that. I am doing PKR here. You can do whatever you want in dollars. Now we will come to the channel option. First, select your country of residence. If I am from Pakistan, then I am selecting the country of Pakistan. You can select the country from which you are. Now here you have to enter the relevant keywords of your channel. Just like I am typing the name of my channel here, you have to search for the relevant keyword of your channel and write it. These keywords will always be with you, meaning these keywords will show up in your tags option whenever you upload a video. Come to the upload the first option. This is the upload the first option. If you apply the title and description once, you will not have to apply it again and again. And if not, you will have to apply them separately later. This is an advanced setting and it is important. Here we have to select the language of your video and channel. So I am currently selecting Urdu language. If we select title and description language, which is English, we will select the category that belongs to our channel. So I am selecting entertainment. You can do it on your own. Caption certification option and select this content has never arrived on television in US. Click on allow comments. Press the next option. Again come to the channel point setting. So here it is asking whether this channel is for children or not. If it is not for children, then click on the second option. So our setting is almost complete, but once we check it again, let's take a look at the advanced setting. We have no option left. Click on manage YouTube account. You can see some options and you can also create a new channel from here. Check it out once I have completed it. I mean your channel settings and your channel is complete. Click on channel status and future. Then we will return to our channel. We are come back to our channel. Click on continue. Check that you are on the channel dashboard, meaning your channel is complete. That's why you can create your own channel in the best way possible. From here you can upload videos. Check channel analytics. You will see many more options. These are videos content. Whenever you upload a video, it will be shown to your here. So this is a good and excellent settings that makes your channel viral, channel grow, and if this settings is not in your channel, then your channel can never be viral. We will go to S point and monetization, then see that our channel is completely created. Now our channel 0 subscriber, 0 public watch hours, 2-step verification, 0 active community guideline strikes. When these 4 points are ticked, our channel will get monetized. So try to make as much money as possible by creating a good video, climbing channel on it. It takes a lot of effort to make a video when it only takes you 15 minutes to watch. I hope you understand well. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.